Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to answer a question that I got on YouTube, one of our viewers, and it says, I'm new to roasting, what would you recommend for a starter machine? And that is actually a very good question. By the way, keep them questions coming. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. But now let me show you the machines that we have here as a starter. I would call a starter. This one here is one of our newest electric sample roaster. What I want to highlight here is the software on this machine is transferable versus the P2 series. Before we go to the Probatino, I just want to mention that this is a 100 to 200 gram batch. Now here, if you can start, this is a 1 kilo Probatino. So this is the in-between from the tabletop to the 1 kilo to the P5 over here. Now I want to mention, remember I said the software can go from there to there. You can upload it. So that's the new thing on the P3 series. And this is where you want to be if you're starting as a starter roaster. Then after that, obviously you go to the P12 and the P25. The software can also follow a P12 or a P25 if you wish. I hope this helps you guys. Keep the questions coming. And until next time.